Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have a Knog lock. I think they make bike locks in America, and it's got a very pleasing form factor, doesn't it? It says number 1 on there, and interesting artwork on the lock. I quite like this sort of squared off style, like the square shackle hole here underneath that square shackle. It's a bit odd that it says hard on there. It's clearly stainless steel, and it is hard, but it's not hardened. I don't think this is a hardened steel lock. I could be wrong. And this was kindly sent to me by Legal Lockpicker. Please do go check out his channel. Now, I think originally this lock might have been owned once by Bosnian Bill, so there, it has a bit of history. What about the key? Well, interestingly, it has a wafer lock core with a very powerful shackle spring. And there's the key with a not too exciting bitting. What does it take to open it? Well, sadly not very much, I don't think. Let's put in some bottom of the keyway tension. Just get any old pick, and we'll just go in and try to set any wafers that seem to be sticking up in our way. And there we go, open. In fact, it's so easy to pick, I think we should be able to rake this within a few seconds. Just pop the tension back in. I'm going to be using an Abona rake here, and just give it a little light rock, and we're open. There you go. So, yeah, I don't know much about this particular lock, this square-bodied lock. I do know I like it an awful lot. It's a really nice one for the collection. It's nice to have locks with odd and novel form factors. It's quite tactile as well, but sadly it's just not a lock which offers any degree of security whatsoever. Sad, but there you go. At least I imagine it is anti-shim, purely because when you close it up there isn't a way to get shims in down the sides of the shackle. Well, so there is that. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like the video, please leave a like. If you have a comment to make about it, leave a comment below. I'll read them all. I'll reply to as many as I can. And of course, if you haven't subscribed and like content like this, I'd really appreciate you subscribing as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.